In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vendors in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill in, and how to save a clean, reliable vendor record that your team can use for bills and purchase orders. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. From the main menu, head to the Purchases section. This area is dedicated to everything you buy: bills, purchase orders, expenses, and it's where vendor records live. Inside Purchases, open Vendors. This brings up your vendor list and the controls to add a new one. To create a fresh record, click the New button. You're now in the vendor creation form. Begin by entering the contact's first name and last name. This is the person you'll typically communicate with at the vendor. Clear, correct names make searching and emailing much easier later, so watch for spelling and capitalization. Next, add the email address. This is what Zoho Books will use when you send purchase orders or payment remittances, so accuracy matters. If your vendor uses a shared inbox for orders, enter that address here. If not, use the primary contact's email. Take a second to confirm there are no typos. Mistakes here can delay your purchasing. Now, enter the work phone and mobile phone. Include the country code if you operate internationally, and format numbers consistently with dashes or spaces so they're easy to read. If you only have one number, that's fine. Add it to the most appropriate field, and you can update later as needed. Open the address section to store where you'll send documents or goods. Start with the billing address. Add the full street address, city, state, or region, postal code, and country. The more complete this is, the better your bills and remittances will align with the vendor's records. Then enter the shipping address. If the vendor receives shipments at the same location, mirror the billing details here to keep everything consistent. If they use a warehouse or third-party logistics provider, enter that specific shipping location instead. Consistency across both addresses reduces delivery errors and accounting mismatches. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new vendor will appear in the list and is immediately available for bills, expenses, and purchase orders. If you spot anything that needs tweaking, you can reopen the record at any time to edit the details. That's it. Navigate to Purchases, open Vendors, create but a new record, add the contact info, fill in the addresses, and save. With accurate vendor profiles, your purchasing and payables stay organized and efficient.